In this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Dolby audio preset on Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our Pilot. It's located right here, and after doing so we need to navigate up to the settings and then press the right key in order to move to the system. Now go to the left and find sound. From here you can already see Dolby audio. Simply press arrow pointing down in order to highlight it. From here press the left or right key to change the preset to whichever one you prefer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.